Hey everyone, so let's talk about the wristwatch that I bought for like under 10 pounds and how I felt after using it for a couple of days. The first thing that we'll talk about the charge. So if I talk about the charge, then it was 100% yesterday early in the morning at 10 a.m. Now it's 6:30 p.m. and the charge is 40%. So it has been 44 hours and the charge is 40%. The second thing is the touch. I think it is really smooth. You can easily swap amongst the applications and you can easily set time and things like that. The other thing that I tried is audio calling, and I think audio calling is quite better here. I was easily talking to my friends using this device, and its connectivity is also quite easy with iPhone. I'm using iPhone 13 Pro Max and it easily connected with my iPhone. So in connection wasn't any problem there. So the next thing is its measurement. Let's see. Let's go for the heart measurement. Here you can see. It gives my heart rate accurately. I hope it's accurate. Yeah. And it gives the blood pressure rate. And then I listen to music, although the sound is a little low, but it is good when you listen to music on this device. It's really great. The best thing that I personally can say about these smartwatches is that they give you a reminder. For example, if you set a reminder for drinking water on regular intervals, it gives you that. And if you want to set a reminder or an alarm for yourself in the morning, so that you can set in this watch, you can also set your debit card details here and you can easily swap at any place where you go for a shopping. So it's easy that way as well. And the other thing is torch, which is quite decent. Under 10 pounds, you get a decent torch in your hand. Yeah. So if you're a student and if you can't afford expensive products, then I would recommend you to buy this kind of a watch, and you can easily trust it. It comes with this sleek design, and the bands are also really smooth, so it doesn't hurt your hand. It's perfect. You can use this while sleeping, and the button here is also quite smooth, so once you press it, then it's turned on. And I think it's overall a good go in that price range. It was my first time buying an online smartwatch and I'm satisfied with it, and I recommend you to buy this watch if you want to buy it. All the best. Have a good smart life.